This is the machine I use to resurface CDs. It uses pads. These pads have, this is sandpaper. It's a certain type of grit sandpaper that it uses. And it also uses a polish that goes into the front. And that polish goes through a tube and it comes through the top of here and drops down onto the disc. And you use it to buff the disc and actually take a layer from it to make the disc smooth again and make it playable. It will remove scratches and make the surface like a mirror after you get the polish off. It's really cool. You can take something that's really scratched up, run it through this machine, and get it to come back to a mirror-like finish and make it look something like this again. So it's a good machine. It's worth having, and it allows you to fix your media and get it back into a good working condition.